More information coming in about Chinese troop build-up at the line of actual control. The People's Liberation Army used the lull after the Galwan Valley clash on June 15 to actually build up its troops along the entire stretch of the eastern Ladakh sector. The Chinese army, however, was very closely being monitored by the Indian side, which also used this time to bring in more reinforcements and has more than matched the PLA build-up now on our side. The four major points of confrontation of both sides include the Galwan Valley area, patrolling point 15, Pangong So, which we've also mentioned earlier, and the patrol point 17, which is in the hot springs area. So these are the points which remain really bones of contention at this point at the line of actual control. Let me take this across once again to Gaurav. Gaurav, the fact that, almost immediately after what happened on June 15th, you saw massive deployment, massive troop build-up, it once again reinstates the fact that this particular brawl that happened on June 15th was a premeditated one by China.
It indeed was, and after China was pushed back along the line of actual control, something that China did not actually anticipate. China had thought with its overwhelming presence there and with the show of strength, India perhaps would pull back, but that didn't happen. And post the 15th June brawl, China has also built up and in a big way. So while the commanders are talking about disengagement, while commanders are talking about a roadmap for de-induction, which is of course a long way off, satellite imagery and unmanned aerial vehicles seem to indicate that, especially around patrol point 14, that's Galwan, that's where the clash had taken place, between 15, 17 Alpha, which is where Hot Spring is, and these are pretty close, about 20 to 30 kilometers from each other. This is where the Chinese are building up in a very big way. And then, of course, when that arc in central Ladakh turns at the LAC, you come to Pangong So area. So this is the area where the Chinese are concentrating in a very big way in terms of building up, because the Indians, while they've built up here in bigger numbers, now Indians have built up both in the traditional friction and flashpoint areas, which is Depsang in the north and Demchok in the south. But all along now, it's about 830 kilometers, 833 kilometers to be precise, the line of actual control in Ladakh. And this is where the Indian and the Chinese armies now in an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation, except Pangong So, where the Chinese have moved into finger 4 and are now strengthening, the teeth is in, they're now strengthening their tail.
All right, Gaurav, we'll continue tracking very, very closely the situation at the line of actual control for the moment. Thank you for joining us. Now, amid this face-off, top sources have told India today that Indian forces have secured the Galwan standoff point, which witnessed a violent brawl on June 15th. The Indian army has also plugged gaps along the LAC to stop Chinese transgressions. This was revealed as the army chief, during his visit to the forward posts along the LAC in Ladakh, also reviewed the operational alertness of the troops on ground. Sources say that while Depsang front is not an immediate cause of worry or concern given extensive force deployment by India, the army is keeping a close watch on what's happening in the Pangong So region. In Depsang, increasing Chinese build-up remains a flashpoint. Army Chief M.M. Naravne also received operational briefing from the Leh Corps commander during his two-day Ladakh visit. He's going to be briefing the top political leadership on the ground situation today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.